That'd be insane.
I wanted to get this going again, but now what I want to do is I'm going to make it deeper, right?
Okay.
And then I want to have stingrays again in here. So I'm going to build the wall out here. So this will be more, they'll come up here. I'm going to train them to come up here. So when I feed them, they'll come up here and be active. They're going to be able to interact with the stingrays, which will be really cool. And then the other thing I want to do is I want to do like a rock wall, right? And then have like a bunch of plants, like a terrarium, and then have water dripping down on it. And I want to have like a rain system. I want to be able to come over here and flick a button and have it start raining on top.
Dude, that'd be insane.
I want to have like a waterfall that comes off of that window. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do it. So that way it just looks like water, and then when you walk out there, it'll just be cool.